back to my channel. I am Saiasmi Gupta and I'm 10 years old. I am the co-founder of tennisforthekids.com and today I'm going to create another very great app. I'm going to create odd or even app. So everybody knows how to play odd or even. So basically you will get a random number between 1 to 1000. Then you have to guess if that random number is odd or even. Then you will get to know if you chose correct or not. So this is a very fun game and a very cool game. It helps you to be better in math, as basically if you will get to know this number, and like it's a very cool game. So yeah, and it will definitely improve your math. I definitely say that. So yes, so without any delay, let's get started. Yeah, I have minimized my screen. I'll keep you guys here. First, let me show you. I'll just play and tell. Okay. So here, tell me, is 507 a odd number or a even number? Okay. So here is a random number, and you have to tell is it an odd number or an even number. So the tactic is basically, however big number it can be, you don't matter. If the number ends with 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8, that means that is an even number. But over here it is not ending with 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, and so that is why it is an odd number. Oh, sorry guys, I didn't start it. Yeah, I didn't select it. So okay, so here is a new number, 938. It is an even number as it's ending with an even number. So correct. Okay. Now 275. Okay, I know this is an odd number. To show you that my app is working perfectly fine, I'm saying that it is an even number while it is an odd number. So see, it will show you wrong. So I just wanted to show you. So yeah, one more go, and this is an even one. Correct. 856. Even. And again correct. 633 odd and correct. So yeah, this is a very fun and a very nice learning game. So now let's just jump right into the code. So first we are going to import random. Okay, then we are making a variable a random.randint 1 to 1000 plus 1. Basically I did 1000 plus 1 as if you give 1 and 1000, then it's gonna do 999, and we want 1000, so that is why you have to add plus 1. So that is why. So it will, so in a, this variable a will just select a random number between 1 to 1000. Then I'm saying I wanted to concatenate, like I made so many variables that I wanted to concatenate, like the string and the integer, and then put it into an input. So that's why I had to make so many variables. So basically b is equals to tell me is, then I see that a odd number or a even number. Okay. So basically now I want to add that it should be tell me is that random number is a tell me is this a odd number or a even number, right? So I had to make another variable so to save that um, concatenated string, right? So basically d is equals to b plus string a plus c. I had to give string a, as it won't let you to do it. I have to so yeah, if you just try to do b plus a plus c, it won't let you do it, because you can only concatenate string with a string. You cannot concatenate with a string to an int. So to concatenate a string to an int, basically you have to convert your int basically into a string. So basically it will be a string plus a concatenation of a string only, right? So basic now we are making another variable e is equals to input d, so that basically we are putting this d into an input so that we can give our answer also, odd or even, right? Now then I'm making over if. I'm putting if e is equals to even. Basically if we give even and whatever the random number we have given, when we divide it and divide it by 2 and the remainder is equals to 0. So basically if this if statement is correct, so it will print correct. Okay, now if this if statement is wrong, so it will go in the else if statement to check. So basically if e is equals to odd, basically we get odd, and a remain when we do a divide by 2 and it is not equals to 0, so basically that is also correct, because an odd number is basically that a number that you divide by 2 and you get the remainder as anything else but 0. That is correct, right? Now if you didn't give even, I mean you had to give even or odd, but like this is like a wrong statement. Basically your answers don't match. Like basically you give odd, but your it is even, that number is even, so that's why it will go in the else statement and print wrong. So yeah, so let me just tell you quickly. First we are importing random a, like basically we are saving in a that random number between 1 to 1000. Then we are concatenating, right? Then we are putting that concatenated string into the input. Then we are comparing if we have given even and the random number we divide by 2 and we get the remainder 0, it should get correct. Or if we have given odd and a divided by 2 is not equals to 0, then it will print correct. But if both these if and else statements is wrong, it will go in the else statement and print wrong. OMG, our code is done. So let's play this game for 2 or 3 times. 975. So I've told you the trick, and this number is not ending with an even number, so this is an odd number, right? Now basically if we give like blah, 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 so it's gonna get wrong. Basically you can't give it, right? Now 359, an odd number, and that is correct. I'm gonna give this, I know this is an even number, but I'm gonna give an odd number basically, so it's getting wrong. So this is a very fully functional game. Basically if you were understanding the code, I'll just show you this code once and then you can just do it once if you want to. Okay, I think so you have taken a screenshot or paused the video. So yeah, so we are done with this video and we have created the odd versus the even game, and I really hope you like this video, guys. If you did, don't forget to smash that like button, share this video, comment down below if you like it, and subscribe my channel if you've not done yet. Thank you guys, bye. Stay safe, stay healthy, and keep watching my videos. Dab 3!